Taoist Tai Chi basic forms with Sanel. Then body swing. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale again. Then inhale. The palm face each other. Then left hand, right hand opposite. Then left hand turn right. Right hand turn left. By different direction. When your left hand up, right hand down. Doing 3 times circle. Then use right hand join S. Hold the ball on left side. Then separate. Then hold the ball on the right side. To the left ball stance. Hold the ball on the right side. Then palm close together. Then block, cross leg, 2. Chop, 1 circle. Then turning 2 circle. Then cross leg. Then 20. Then left hand push. Right hand push forward. Then turn right. And turn left. Then grabbing. Right leg back. Then both hands turn left, push 1, 2, then hand up, then kick, 1, 2, 3, then 20, back three. Punching, and back hot stance. Doing 1 circle. Then left and the right, then forward 1. Then back. Then half step, back.